Alright, guys, here we go. Gold Rush Football Mini Division number 1, 520. 520, 520, 520. Corey 1, Joe 1, Dixon 1, Sean 1, Daisy 1. Tanner 1, Chad 1, and Kevin 1. Double check everyone's payment. Alright. Daisy, did you ever send? Yeah, you did. You're good. He threw me off when he said I'm a horse in a race. Alright. 5 times, we'll randomize it up. 5 times, we'll randomize it up. Chuck Nasty, that's pretty sweet, huh? A lot of cool baseball and basketball jerseys. 5 times on Payson column B. Next to the 8 divisions. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Tanner B, you're on top. Sean, you're on the bottom 5 times. Column B. Tanner, AFC North. Dixon, NFC North. Chad, AFC South. Joe, NFC South. Daisy, AFC East. Kevin, NFC East. Corey, AFC West. And Sean, NFC West. No, I did not see your comment. Alright, guys, here we go. Gold Rush Football Mini Helmet. It is a Philadelphia Eagles Randall Cunningham, NFC East. Very nice. Philadelphia Eagles Randall Cunningham autograph mini helmet for the Eagles. Fly, Eagles, fly. WPP 068851 going to the NFC East. Randall Cunningham going to Kevin H. There you go, Kevin H. You got yourself a very nice Eagles. Randall Cunningham. There you go, Kev. Very nice, man. 5 times, we'll mix it on up. 5 times, we'll mix it on up. We'll pace and call, or sorry, whoever's on top to get that free spot into bonus break 101. 3, 4, and 5, and Daisy H. Daisy 101. There you go. All right. And there it is. There it is. All right, guys. Very cool. Very nice. Randall Cunningham, guys. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break, guys. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate it. Have a good one.